Okay, we're going to talk about how to solve systems of equations using addition and subtraction. There's other methods of solving, but this is going to cover solving systems through addition and subtraction. Our first example is the easiest kind because there's one variable that has the same coefficient in both equations. In this case, the coefficient's 1. So we don't have to do anything. We can just go ahead and subtract these two. And the reason we subtract is when we subtract these, right, we'll get 1x. But the key is when we subtract these, we get 0. So 1x equals 2. Yay, x equals 2. That's good. Then we get to pick either equation, it doesn't matter, to put x into. So I'm going to try to do 2 times 2 plus y equals 7. I'm going to actually show all the work for you. If we minus 4, so y is equal to 3. So this here is our answer. We're going to leave it in an ordered pair, 2, 3. Okay? Our next example here is a little bit more difficult, and the reason it's more difficult is we don't have a variable that has the same coefficient. Okay? Now, we get to pick now. You get to decide which variable you want to get rid of. Well, actually, I get to decide. So I'm going to decide we're going to get rid of x. So in order to do that, we're going to have to multiply everything in this equation by 2. So we'll get 2x plus 2y equals 16. This top equation we can just leave the same. Plus 4y equals 18. Okay, so now we're going to subtract these. We're going to subtract because 2x minus 2x is 0, so we've gotten rid of that. So 4y minus 2y, 2y equals 2. Pretty easy to solve. Y is equal to 1. We get to put it into either equation. I'm going to pick this one because it's the easiest, and so I'm going to say x plus 1 equals 8. So x is equal to 7. So our answer here is 7, 1. Okay? Is a little bit more difficult. Okay? Not only are neither of our coefficients the same, you can't easily get from one to the other. So we're going to have to mess with both equations. So in this situation, I'm going to choose to get rid of x. So I have to multiply this one by 2. So I get 6x plus 10y is equal to 62. And I'm going to have to multiply this one by 3. So 6x plus 9y is equal to 57. 19 times 3. Okay. Again, I'm going to subtract because 6x minus 6x is 0. So I get y is equal to 5. Okay. Now, I get to pick any one of these equations. Right? I'm going to pick this one. No good reason, it's a great equation. So 2x plus 3 times 5 is equal to 19. 2x plus 15 is equal to 19. We can keep going ahead to solve. This equation, you can all solve x as 2. So our solution here is 2, 5.